Hi, everybody. Thank you for joining. I hope you can see my slides. Is that okay, Hilary? Yes, you can see.
Yep, looks good to me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So my name is Rosanna Glazik. I am the project coordinator for knowledge development with the UK Public Health Rapid Support Team. And part of my role involves managing our knowledge hub, which is hosted on the Global Health Network platform. So the UK Public Health Rapid Support Team Knowledge Sharing Hub was launched in June 2020 on the Global Health Network platform, which is supporting us to deliver this webinar today. And it is a knowledge exchange platform that hosts over 50 member hubs managed by various organisations, consortia and research groups worldwide. And through member hubs, the Global Health Network platform aims to facilitate knowledge sharing and exchanging of research methods, processes, findings between diseases, regions and organisations. And in addition, it also enables research capacity development and process improvement through training and provision of tools, guidelines and other resources. And they're now aiming to facilitate ways of research findings can influence policy and practice to manage, treat and prevent diseases in communities through the platform. So the aim of our Knowledge Hub, the UK Public Health Rapid Support Team Knowledge Hub, is to create a sustainable knowledge exchange platform that supports collaborators and networks to learn more about our work and to provide an online working space for those, who are in the sector to access resources, share knowledge and learnings and relevant to outbreak preparedness and response, and to develop networks and partnerships with ourselves and other organisations and professionals. So registering with the Global Health Network is open and free to all, and once you become a member, you can join communities of interest. Users can engage in e-learning courses, blogs, discussion groups, workshops, webinars, as well as access other relevant resources and have the opportunity to develop networks and partnerships. So our hub has various areas and sub-areas which I will take you through. So the homepage features social media feeds, including the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine and Public Health England Twitter accounts. Relevant and up-to-date news, including publications and events, featured content and pages on the hub, and links to other relevant member hubs. Within the About Us area, you can find information about the RST, including information on our deployments. The COVID-19 area provides information on how we have been supporting the pandemic response, and you can also access COVID-19 resources here. Hub members can view and connect with other members in the community area, as well as view, comment or upload a blog and participate in a discussion group or create their own one. The policy and research area features case studies, publications, guidance and latest research calls and funding opportunities. And in the education and training area, we have brought together relevant resources to share for training and education to support outbreak preparedness and response. And we have also brought together tools, standard operation procedures and additional platforms providing resources aiming to support outbreak response in the tools and platforms area. The data collection, management and analysis tool finder was created to support decision makers to find the most appropriate electronic tools for outbreak response based on their needs and technical requirements. Within the events section, you will find featured upcoming events, webinars, workshops, as well as past events with links to recordings if available. And this is where you will also find the webinar recording for this particular session. And also to keep up to date with the latest RST activities, in the newsletter section, you can find the RST quarterly newsletter, which can be accessed in that area. And we're also aiming to create an easy to use and searchable database repository on the hub that will include relevant and up-to-date content that will enhance knowledge sharing and capacities on subjects related to outbreak preparedness and response. And we're also in the process of developing an outbreak management community of practice with direction from members, and will include discussions based on members' interest and speakers who are willing to share their knowledge and experience. So how can you contribute to the hub? So both RST related content and relevant external content can be shared on the hub. For example, blogs, case studies on staff deployments or other relevant topics of interest from external members, publications along with relevant research methods and tools used, guidelines and policies that have been developed or contributed to by RST staff, as well as other external ones, details of courses and trainings, both RST and external trainings, information on our webinars or external webinars and workshops, and both webinars and workshops can be supported by the Global Health Network, and can be open to all or hosted privately. For example, if you're part of a working group to develop or review a specific guideline or policy, you can host this privately on the workshop. The discussion forum can be used to have an open or disclosed discussion on relevant topics or related content shared or hosted on the hub. So this is an example of a 2-day orientation training for community health workers on COVID-19 that was developed by Africa CDC with support from the UK Public Health Rapid Support Team, and we have been able to share this along with the resources on the hub. This was a blog written by one of our senior microbiologist leads on the experience supporting outbreak response research and capacity development in Sierra Leone, and hub members can comment on blog posts and can also write their own blog post and submit these. And this was a recent article written by a UK FETP fellow, an epidemiology reservist and head of the rapid response teams for the Gambian Ministry of Health on COVID-19 surveillance in the Gambia. So we do encourage you and welcome you to become a member of the UK Public Health Rapid Support Team Knowledge Hub to help us develop our community of practice, share knowledge and practices, as well as learn new ones, and to develop networks and find out more about our latest activities and hub updates. And we will post in the chat the link to sign up and to become a member, and please do check out our Knowledge Hub. Thank you.